Well, hello, model car fans. Welcome to the Muscle Car Modeler. My name is Ral, and here I want to do an update on some stash ads that I've done for May, and also give a shout out and let you guys know that Hobby Nut Models is having a sale. So I'll have the link up here and the link in the video description below, and to let you guys know that yeah, Hobby Nut Models is having a sale, as I said. And Mark is a big supporter of a lot of the YouTube channels, not just mine. I know he does Angelo's Workbench, model car videos, Blue Ox models, and a few others. And as far as an independent hobby shop, you know, he's a big supporter of all of us on YouTube, and that I'm very grateful for. You know, not just me, because it forwards the hobby altogether, but at the same time too, asking to give him a hand as well as we've all been there, we've all had our struggles and whatnot, and he could really use any extra sales or anything that can come his way. So please, yeah, check out his store and everything that he's got. Like I said, he's got stuff on sale, and not just model kits too. We're talking bare metal foil, MCW paints, AK paintbrushes, which by the way I actually got some, and other stuff too. But anyway, yeah, any support that can be tossed his way would be greatly appreciated. He's got his wife's kind of in the hospital a little bit, and his income is affected by it. But anything you guys can do or share, show him some love, that'd be great. But I personally appreciate what he's done for my channel, as long as some others. And but speaking of, I did get these from him. This is, of course, the MPC 68 Coronet, and I've opened it, kind of looked at it, checking it out. But yeah, I'm looking forward to really getting started on this one. Even though I built a convertible, it's built. You guys saw that on the channel, and I also picked this one up from him. 60 Ford F100 pickup. Interesting truck. I don't have a whole lot of trucks, but I picked a couple of them up here and there, and I just kind of like them. And it's just kind of a little bit of a slump buster for me as well to jump into these and build these. But I picked this one up as well, and it seems like really cool. Just some interesting stuff on here. The trailer, the truck, but I have some fun with this one. It's got the Y engine in it. But I don't know when I'll actually get to this one, but it does quite interest me, much like the Coronet here. But also another one that just arrived. The Pontiac Catalina Super Stock. Now I've got a couple of the previous versions here, but this one's got an updated cleaned grill, which is what they're kind of showing here. And also, it comes with the plain wheels, but it's also got the 8-lug wheels, which that's a new addition to this kit. And I want to check those out. I haven't opened this up yet, but I understand that this custom grill is actually like the plain or the Grand Prix grill, so I'll be interested to see how that actually compares. And my brother-in-law actually has a 62 Grand Prix that his dad bought new, but I've got a resin conversion kit to turn one of these into that, which Kevin at Missing Link actually made. But I'll be getting into that sooner or later as well. But this one's kind of fun, so I'll be interested in really looking this one over and seeing what's different in it or what's gone on. But another one from Hobby Nut Models. And then while I'm at it, I also picked this one up. Dodge 446 pack Super B. And then this is a fun one. I built a few of these actually, and they're just so much fun. God, and I think about, got a few others, but I understand the decals on this have been corrected. I have to check them out and see what's really new, but be kind of fun to build. I built one blue. The other one that's featured on my channel is yellow, I believe. I think that's the color I went with. But these are just fun, easy builds, and it's a great car. Simple kit, but I love these kits. But there's that one. And then when I talk about some of the other stuff he's got on his in his shop, so I picked up all of these. And then you guys, some of you have made fun of the fact that I've got those cheap white Testors brushes. And so he's got these. So I decided to pick these up, check them out. 2.0 round. This is AK. So I'm going to give these paintbrushes a try and see what they're like. I saw them on his channel or his site while I was going through and looking at different stuff and seeing what else he carries. So got that kind of stuff. So picked all of those up, as well as MaxiCure. This is the extra thick CA glue. So I use regular super glue all the time, but try this extra thick stuff. And then I also got a tube of the super thin here, the Bob Smith Industries CA glue. So I'll give that a try. I want to get the accelerator too, but I think he was out of that at the time when I placed this order. So I got those. And one of the last things I got, and everybody's asked me about this stuff, if I've tried it or used it or anything. And I don't do a lot of spray can stuff, but I actually picked up the Revell Chrome Spray, which he does have. So I'll be interested to try this. I don't have any projects in the works right now that need them. Well, actually, there is one that comes to mind. My 71 Mustang wide body. I could probably use this on the barrels of the wheels. So I might be using that on that, but I'll have to check this stuff out because I haven't used this stuff before, and many of you guys have asked me if I have, but I have not. So pick that up. And then, you know, also browsing his stuff. He's got airbrushes and some of the parts for that, and even a paint booth. I was eyeballing that paint booth, so I may have to check that out. But we'll give these paint brushes a try and see those instead of using my whatever I had or picked up. And some of my brushes are kind of worn out and flaring, so I'll get these. But yeah, check out Hobby Nut Models and anything that you know, suit your fancy. But yeah, check out all the other bits and pieces too. You know, and he doesn't just do automotive stuff. He's got some plain stuff and some super detailing kits, and even some of the 3D printed decal sheets and stuff, which I got one of those a few weeks back or a few months back for a Porsche 959, just a detailed kit, but it's 3D printed decals, which is kind of interesting. So I threw that in the box, so I don't have that for display, but some of those and some other stuff. But anyway, I just wanted to throw that out there, share, you know, what I've picked up in this last month. And I didn't go kind of crazy as far as shopping, but this is some of the stuff I wanted to get and everything. But, you know, especially this one I really want to check out, so I'll pull that apart and check that out. And then this one, after I get done with some of my other builds, I'll get started on this and see how the Coronet, you know, looks and compare it to the Super B and the unbuilt one I got. So anyway, some more stuff coming to the channel and everything. So again, check out Hobby Nut Models again at the bottom of the video description below, and anything you might need or whatnot, and you know, any purchases that you've been thinking about doing, would greatly help him too. Any extra sales he can get, that'd be great. Regardless if it's from my channel or any of the other channels, I don't have any issues with that. But you know, he's a big supporter of a bunch of the YouTube channels, and the only one I know of that's you know, as an independent supporting channels and everything, which is really cool. So you guys, thank you for tuning in, subscribing, and all your comments and everything. I really do appreciate it. You guys, you have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you next time.